Okay, farmer's market, 8 a.m. Vendors are here, just starting to get set up. Porter's Orchard, who usually has donuts and stuff, don't have anything out. On the Hill Breads. Morning. The pasty place, that might be good if their prices are not too much. We got fruit going on over here on the left. Okay, still got vendors setting up. Went into the main section here. It is 8 a.m. in case the camera's not showing that here. Okay, indoor section. This is one of the main produce areas here. They're all set up and ready to go because they're here all day. Watkins Lady. Lots of vegetables. This is the cheese section. Now, they do have a lot of selections, but there's no prices listed. And the juice joint, I don't think that's going to be an option. This is the place that has elephant ears and donuts. They're delicious. This is the meat area that I was thinking maybe the kids could get. Some kind of meat, like there's some boneless ham. That would be a good option. And these are all deli style meats. Another option down here.